All right, let's do the second half of this lesson. The midpoint formula is if you have a segment on a graph, we want to find the exact middle. All right, so there's lots of other strategies, but the formula is probably going to be the quickest. Since midpoint means middle, I need to find the middle of the x values. So I'm going to add them together and divide by 2. And then I'm going to take my y values and add those together and divide by 2. The midpoint is a point, so it should be written as an ordered pair. So for this example, find the midpoint of the segment above. So we've got P is at -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So -2, 8. And Q is at 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for our midpoint, we're going to take the x values, and you can add them in either order, and then the y values, -4. And then you're going to clean that up. So -2 plus 8 equals 6, 6 divided by 2, and 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 divided by 2. So at 3, 2, that's going to be the midpoint. All right. Now, the distance between 2 points, there are options, but we are going to use the distance formula. So the distance formula uses 2 points, which are usually going to be the endpoints. And the distance between 2 points is you're going to subtract the 2 ordered pair x values, square it, plus the y values. And that will equal the distance. Okay, so for our example, if we want to find PQ, it's going to be the same ordered pairs. And I want to find out how long that segment is. So I'm going to take x minus x, and you can subtract in any order, but you're going to have to do the y values in the same order. So I'm going to do -2 minus that 8, plus we're going to do the y values. 8 minus -4. Now, you can type that all straight into a calculator, or you can simplify that by hand. But if you use a calculator, you definitely want to use parentheses. So I've got -2 minus 8 squared plus 8 minus -4 squared. And then I'm going to close my parenthesis because that's all in the square root. So we get 15.62. Okay. If you want to clean this up by hand, we've got -10. When you square it, please use parentheses, so that's 100. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 squared is 144. And then you would take the square root of that. All right, so that's the distance. Same thing with AB, we'll just do a second example. So if I want to do, we've got x minus x plus y minus y. So I'll just go ahead and simplify this by hand. 2 squared is 4. 4 squared is 16. I get root 20. And you can typically leave your answers. Root 20 is actually fine for me, since we haven't taught you how to simplify square roots, or we're going to get 4.47 for the distance.